Why is the Bible trustworthy? You know how when something withstands the test of time, it usually means there's something to it? That's kind of how it is with the Bible. This book has been scrutinized for centuries by people from all walks of life, and yet it still holds a significant amount of influence worldwide. It also has an uncanny knack for accurately reflecting the realities of the ancient world, which gives it some street cred. Plus, its content provides a coherent worldview and even the unique story of Jesus Christ, which for many, speaks to its divine origins. What does the Bible's inerrancy mean? Inerrancy is just a fancy way of saying without error. When people say the Bible is inerrant, they're saying they believe it's totally accurate and doesn't have any mistakes in everything it talks about, be it history, science, ethics, you name it. Not everyone agrees on what inerrancy looks like in practice, but that's the general idea. Does the Bible contradict itself? This one's all about perspective. There are folks who believe the Bible is without error, and they'd argue that any seeming contradictions can be cleared up if you dig deep into the historical, cultural, and literary contexts. They'd say that, when read in the right way, the Bible's core message holds consistent from Genesis to Revelation,